Hi guys! Miss San Juan here, aka Miss SJ, and welcome to my video. In this video, I will be having 5 questions that I need to answer which are related to mathematics. But before we proceed to my answers, I would like to inform everyone that all the things that I will be sharing today are about my opinion and according to my understanding and also to my research. I hope you like this video and let's get started. Hi again, so let's start with the question number 1. For the first question, how is it possible that mathematics is a product of human thought that is independent of experience, fits so excellently the object of physical reality? Let me start with one of the famous mathematicians, Albert Einstein. Einstein also pondered this question, and I think this question also makes us puzzled, but his conclusion, it was the comprehensibility of the world is one of the great eternal mysteries. This entire universe is a carefully designed, carefully architected, and mathematical system that the universe is profoundly mathematical in nature and we do not understand why. It is impossible to precisely nail down anything in the universe because it's already constructed universe. It is not an absolutely reality. Math is the absolute only thing. One thing that I agree with is that much more that we can learn about this universe when people are least willing to consider the true nature of things. As Albert Einstein said,
it is independent and that's beautiful.
So okay, number 1 is okay, and let's proceed to question number 2. What new ideas about mathematics did you learn? One of the impressions that I have when it talks about mathematics is it includes of studying numbers, patterns, fractions, figures, and quantities that can be used in calculations in our daily lives. But as I answer this question today, I hope it helps us to have a better understanding of how mathematics shapes our world. In my almost 21 years of existence, I learned and proved that all around us has a purpose and patterns in our living, and I am very amazed by it.
Kahit sa pagtandaan pa lang ng aking birthday, bilang na bilang. Just kidding!
Mathematics will always be involved even in the tiniest, simplest things. It will always have numbers and everything is connected to it. Even humans and other creatures in the world also have patterns in their bodies. Since I am a returned missionary in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, I appreciate it more and I am very amazed to our Almighty God because He created such a detailed goal and plan for us, then ended up as a great masterpiece. Everything that He created and exists is a mind-blowing. Because if we truly observe the things He created, we can say to ourselves that mathematics will always be there.
O diba? Kahit minsan mahirap intindihin ang mathematics, hindi ka nang iiwanan. Kumpara sa taong pilit mong inintindi at pinaglaban mo na nga, iiwanan ka lang din naman. Trust me, mathematics lang, proven and tested.
Anyways, so much for that. Let's proceed to the question number 3. Number 3. What is mathematics that might have changed your thoughts about it? I came to realize that mathematics isn't about solving and finding an answer or having a long solution, even to comprise numbers only. I pondered that it's part of our whole humankind. As I understand deeper the purpose of mathematics, we can think mathematically and will be able to think through many other issues in life, whether numbers are involved or not. It can also be a way to organize your thinking, and it can be a building blocks for everything in our daily lives, including mobile devices, architectures, art, money, engineering, and even sports. Okay, number 4. What is the most useful mathematics for humankind? Most useful mathematics. Okay? For me, mathematics makes our lives in order and prevents us from being chaotic in our everyday lives. For example, from the moment we check the time, every time we buy our favorite foods, the clothes we want to wear, the house where we live in measuring the baking ingredients, every time we create a plan, the rules we follow, there will always be math. As I said earlier, numbers are everywhere. So for me, mathematics has a huge impact and contribution to the world that we live in. In my opinion, that's why mathematics is the best friend of science because it will cause a tumultuous disturbance because when someone or maybe everyone will ask, how? When? Why? Where? And what? And this is how I further understand that the existence of mathematics has its own purpose. Mathematics is still and will always be helpful for us, no matter what. We couldn't deny that it is in our lives and it's already within us. Just like I said earlier,
Mathematics lang ang di mang iiwan.
get it? So let's proceed to the last number. For the last question that we have, what are the things in your home or in your community that shows patterns or symmetry? Since I love cutting paper, this snowflake paper has its own pattern. Next, notebook. The scissor. An apple. The spider web. Even these plastic rolls. These things have patterns or symmetry. Thank you for joining me in this video as I answered the 5 questions that related to the mathematics. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Miss SJ signing out.